In this video, I will show you how to easily install Laravel, version 8, on a Mac. Docker Desktop is highly recommended. If you have not installed Docker, please do so before proceeding. I will put the link in the description below. First, go to your terminal. Type the command below to create a new Laravel project. Once the installation is completed, cd to the project folder. Now type this command to build the project. The web server will be created and ready for use automatically. Open up your browser, and type localhost as the URL. Your new web project is now ready. If this video is of help to you, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you are interested to learn about other topics in Laravel, please drop a comment below. Thank you.